Hey guys, it's Jeremy with Jones Tech Review. I found a gadget for outside that's going to bring your barbecue to a whole nother level. Check out the video. So we're going to do a quick unboxing, then I'm going to be showing you outside on the barbecue what this actually does and how it works. We're going to do a live demonstration here in a few seconds, but I wanted to unbox this. You can have that same taste of a smoker right on your gas or electric or charbroil barbecue with just pellets in a 6-inch tube. So what's cool about this 6-inch tube, it uses the pellets. You can get different flavors of the smoke here. We'll smoke for 2 hours. It's a little combo kit, comes with the starter gel and so forth. Right here on the back says no more soaking wood chips. Just fill the tube with the barbecue pellets, light it and place it in a smoker or grill. And it produces some really good smoke. And we're gonna show you that here in a second. Let's do a quick unboxing of this, show you what you get. So this right here is the pellets that they give you. This one comes with the all natural, the Pitman's Choice, which is cherry, hickory, and maple, 100% all wood flavor. Let's see what else they give in this package here. Oh, a little fired up about the wood flavors, an instruction manual, how to get it lit up here, and the pellet usage for a 6-inch. They do have that 12-inch tube that was supposedly smokes for 4 hours. And they have some different variations of those. I saw this one particular one on demonstration, and it was, which I'm going to show you here shortly, and it was pretty nifty. It shows you how to make some beef jerky, smoke some salmon, different, smoked deviled eggs, and I'll let you guys go through that when you guys get your package here. This is the starter gel. I saw this in the demonstration. He put a little bit of this on there. We can go through the instructions here. It contains denatured alcohol. Let's see here. Be certain the fuel has no lit coals, flames. Flip open the cap, put liberally on the fuel, close the container, put it at a safe distance before you light it. Let's see here, and this is the tube we're talking about here. So we're going to fill this with pellets here, and we're going to just light this up, and we're going to put it on the smoker. I want to show you what this little gadget, very cheap in comparison to what would cost for an electric smoker or a full-on smoker. And that was it for the package here. I was taking a peek inside. I didn't mean to knock over the gel here, but for the price, and I'll put that all in the description below with a link on how you can get this. Once you see this in action, it's going to be impressive. Okay guys, we have the tube filled, and it says to put the gel on the top here and light it. It says if you have a flaming torch or torch flame, hold it for 45 minutes. Excuse me, 45 seconds. My goodness. Hold for 45 seconds. It says set your tube horizontally on a level surface or grate with a propane torch on low. Light the pellets through the open end for 45 seconds. Small flame will appear on the top of the pellets. Allow this flame for burn for 10 minutes. Do not rush this step. So we're just going to let this go for a minute, and we're going to come back. So not quite 10 minutes yet, but it has a pretty good smoke going on already. I have my meat product here. I want to introduce that smoke. I just want to say real quick, when I do fire up the grill, I'm going to only fire up this side. Now, this isn't a barbecue channel, but I just want to say in the instructions, this gadget said, do not put any heat directly above it, to only turn the burners on this side. So I'm following the directions with this gadget. I'm going to let this continue building up a nice flavorful smoke in the barbecue. I just wanted to cover that heat section on that gadget. This gadget has a lot of good recipes on here, guys. It comes with a little book. It talks about cold smoking, the benefits from using this versus an electric smoker like this that I have right here. Is this particular one, I have to use a heat with it, right? I have to get the chips going. I have to soak the chips. I have my water pan. On this gadget that I have going on, it's still introducing the smoke here. I can do cheeses and so forth without adding heat to it. So a lot of cool things about smoking, cold smoking, where you're going to do it in temperatures below 100 degrees. Ideal to cold smoke when outdoor temperatures are cooler. So today I have a nice windy day. It's fairly cool. I can cold smoke, cheese for the next 2 or 3 hours. However, I'm going to introduce some other food, and I'm going to actually get the smoker going. Blow that out a little bit. So I'm going to blow that out, and I'm going to have my smoke on this side, and I'm going to have my heat over on this side. So great little gadget. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a huge amount of smoke coming off the grill. It smells so wonderful. There's that cherry hickory things pumping out the smoke. No heat, and touch the grill, right? There's no heat. So thing's doing amazing. It's introducing so much cold hickory cherry smoke into the grill. When I do finally turn this on to barbecue, I'll do both sides really quick, and this is gonna taste amazing. But I wanted to show you how to use this little gadget to improve your barbecue. Hey guys, as you can see, this product really delivered. So for less than $30, I think I paid $27, got the tube, the gel, and the pellets. Things outstanding. For cold smoking, this is the gadget to have, so that you can definitely turn your barbecue around even if you're introducing heat or you're looking for that cold smoke. Definitely a cool little gadget to have in the barbecue kit, right? So I'll leave all that product info in the description below. Make sure you check that out. And always, we thank you for watching Jones Tech Review.